Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to repost someone else's Instagram story to be our own. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Instagram application. Whenever you open it, you sometimes will be bring into the home section, and make sure that you are in the home section here. And whenever you are in the home section, you just need to take a look on these two button, but then you just need to focus on the DM or direct message buttons here. You just need to go click it, and after that you need to check who's tagged you on their story. So they will be pop up here. Whenever you found it, you just need to click it to open it. And now you can check what story that they made, and you just need to click it to open it and check. And whenever you open it, you just need to go click add to your story. And here you just need to adjusting the size by click the post here to make it like fulfilling all of your story. And whenever you're done adjusting it, you can also add several things on this story by go click this button and going into the GIF. If you like this story, you just need to add some like heart symbols here. You just need to go click it, and you can also put it in the specific place. And whenever you're done adjusting the story, now you're just ready to post it into your own story. And whenever you're done, let's take a look and check either the process or the story is already posted into our story or not. By go click this part, and you just need to wait until it'll 100% uploaded into your account. And that's the way how to repost story on your Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is really useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe into this channel, and see you for the next video.